think my diamonds do magic. Stookie a hood rat, but I'm popping like a Kardashian.
Welcome to my channel, Groovy Kitty. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have a party to go to tomorrow Saturday. Today's Friday. It's my cousin's birthday. Happy birthday. Anyways, so it's her birthday, so she wants to do like a Cowgirls theme. I don't have anything Cowgirls, so I had a few ideas. No, I didn't think about it, actually. In fact, I did. So I'm thinking about getting a plaid shirt. Goodwill should have some, but if not, then I have to figure something out. I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure they do. I was thinking about either doing boots or a hat. I might not do a hat because, you know, my hair, you know what I mean? Like, hats don't really fit over my hair on my head. So I might not do a hat. And plus, if we go out to the club later on, I don't think they're gonna allow you to bring in a hat. So I'm probably not gonna do a hat.
But in all fairness, I think I should be good. Still play sports and shit.
Ooh, look at, they have some. So I need one of these. Let's see if they fit.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it.
This is like the cutest thing ever. All of this looks like fun. It looks really. What is this? That looks fun.
They should have made it differently. Each floor.
What do you mean?
The design.
It's a little weird.
Huh?
So it is a little weird.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's cold as shit.
It's cold in here.
Y'all was like, it is really cold.
I thought it was the only one who felt that way.
I am freezing.
Oh, this is nice. Period.
So, it's my cousin's birthday, and we are going line dancing. So, yeah. So, this is what I'm wearing.
You want me to show them? Tell them where you got the fit.
Why you holding me like that?
Because I don't want to drop
So,
it.
I got this from
Your store.
I got this from Shein. I got these from a thrift store. They were like 99 cents.
Period.
I got these from my mama. Don't know where she got them.
Oh, she got them at Ross.
My birthday purse. This from a country store in the mall.
Called Buckle.
Yes.
And your earrings too. Show them the earrings.
Yeah. And I got these earrings from Buckle too.
Yeah. Period.
Alright. Why are you holding the camera like that?
I don't know.
Alright, where'd you get your stuff from?
I got this vest at Forever 21. Forever 21. Thrift store, and the boots are from Ross. Coming.
Ooh.
Hi. Hi.
Is Marty here yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. And this is a fucking maze.
We were just talking about that.
Yeah. Valet parking, find the damn room.
Yeah, we were literally just talking about that. Because the guy, he was like, do you guys need help? I was like, no, we got it.
I'm always at home. I got it. Like, I don't fucking know where I am.
Plan something for all of us, and then we'll get those passes, because that's what we do this side. That's how we're able to go all those places.
Yeah.
We got the go pass.
The pass we're always
What
talking
you guys
about.
went to? Was it Area 51?
Planet 50.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, with the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage.
These boots cut my leg, my hands, my fingers, people around me. Yeah, I'm done with those boots. Or maybe, I don't know. Yep, no, I'm done with them. I couldn't do that.
Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I'm gonna unconnect her, you guys.
Yeah, let me put me back on the charger. Just take the Bluetooth off.
Forget her playlist, if that's what's on it. I want to hear Cash Doll and Big Sean. That's the next one they want to jump out the window.
Yeah, this is so funny.
babe.
Y'all just want to drive the boat?
I'm not, no, but
Hell
I'm
nah.
Or
Wait, I say y'all would just want to drive the boat? Ooh, shit.
Lord.
I'm pouring the boat since I can't drive.
I know.
Oh, shit.
Don't sit down.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?